Hello and welcome. This is Kalinga from the channel The Code Sprint. Today I'm starting one Python tutorial series and today is the first session. So today we are going to discuss how to install Python in Windows 10. So let's go to Chrome and just type Python here and you'll get this screen. Just click this one and go to downloads. So this is the latest version, but I'm looking for 3.6.0. So for that I'll click on downloads and I will select this one 3.6.0 and click on download. So then I'm getting this screen and I need to select this version with respect to the operating system. So my operating system is Windows 10 and it is 64-bit. So if you are not sure about your operating system and whether it is 32-bit or 64-bit, then you can do one thing. You can go to your my computer or this PC, then just go to the properties and you can see that my system is 64-bit. So I'll select 64-bit option from here, 64-bit executable installer. So once I'll click on that, the downloaded has been started and I can open from here. So it is started now. Let's close this one and we have two options here. So if you don't want to do anything, you just simply click on install now, and if you want to customize it, then you can click on this. But before that, just click on add Python 3.62 path. So you don't have to do anything for your environment variable, so it will get set automatically if you are selecting this checkbox. So then I'll go here and here all these things are already selected: documentation, pip, then ideal, Python test suite, PyLauncher, and for all users. So just click on next, and I want to install for all users. So then I have to choose the path. So for that I'll give my own path. I want it to be installed on C drive with Python folder. So C drive is here, and under C drive I'll create one folder. I'll name it as Python. Then I'll select this one, Python, then OK. So now under Python it will get installed. So then I'll click on install. So it is asking for permission. Yes. So it is starting. The setup is in progress. So it will take time little bit. So while it is installing, I'll just tell you people that please do like, share and subscribe my channel to get all the latest notification. And this will be a huge Python series where you'll get starting from Python installations to all the latest modules, and you'll get some projects also. So please subscribe it. So Python launcher, it is installing now. It is pip bootstrap. So adding path to the path and then precompiling standard library. So you can slightly forward this video. It's about to complete. Yes, it is done. So now click on this and say yes. So now it is gone. Now close this one and let's check whether Python is installed or not. Just open your command prompt and here I'll type Python version. Okay, so I think I need to restart my CMD prompt. Yes, I can see that Python 3.6.0 has been installed. So now I will go to start and see that recently added. This is ideal, this is module documentation, then this is manual, and if I'll expand then I'll see that Python 3.6 also. So I'll click on this ideal first. So this ideal is the integrated development environment for Python. So here I can go to the option configure ideal, then little bit here my font is very small actually, so I want to make it slightly big, and if I can make it bold also it will be good for me. So let's see. Yes, now it's fine I guess. Okay, okay, so now I'll test this. Print hello, sorry, yeah, it is printing. So here I can create a new file and write a small program and save. I'll save in my Python folder. So I'll just create one folder for programs. I'll give my programs. So then open hello.py and save. So now it is done. Now I can run from here. Yes, so it is running successfully, and I can go to C folder Python, and then I I'll go to my program. So here is my file. So one more thing I can do is from here also, if I'll type Python, it is taking me to Python shell. So here also I can type something and I can execute. And if I want to come out of this, then I can press Ctrl Z. Yes. So I can go to Python shell from here also, Python 3.6. So see, similar uh, CMD window is opening here, and here I'm typing something to test. Yes, it is working fine. So again I'm just closing it. So this is all about the installation of Python. So in my next session I'll tell about some IDs where we can install it, and we can use that one for our Python coding. And before closing the session, I can tell you that if I can go here, advanced system settings, and I'll see that environment variables. So here I can see that in path, so here everything is set for us, so no need to do it again, because we had selected that checkbox where it will set up environment variable for us. So now everything is set. So this is all about the installation of Python. Thank you.